Mom, I'm back home.
Oh, son, you're back.
Mom, today I have something for our breakfast.
What did you take to mom? Let me see it.
No, Mom, I can't give you it. Let's get what is it?
I guess right.
No.
I guess meat. I guess nothing.
Why, Mom, you can guess it. It's only fish.
Why are you get it?
Mom, did you remember yesterday I told you that I will go to fishing?
Alright, let's cook for our eat because I'm hungry.
Yes, okay, but early. Right now I'm a man, not child, but why no one like me at all?
Son, please don't be pro. You should know we were poor, so I can't tell you.
Why my destiny is poor like this, and no one prefer at me? Mom, today I go to cut firewood, so you have to stay home because it's dangerous to climb the mountain.
If you go alone, you should be careful.
Yes. Oi, excuse me, where have you been?
I have been to my farm.
So where do you live?
I live near here.
Near here?
Yeah.
So can I go to visit your home?
Sure, you can.
Yeah, go.
Yes, it's my house.
That's good.
Okay, wait a moment. I will go to take some water for you. Please bring water.
Thank you.
Never mind.
Okay, I have visit your home and can I come to see you tomorrow?
Sure. After you, if you can.
Yeah, see you.
See you.
Bye. Mom, I'm back home. I leave the firewood there.
How about you today, my son? It's heavy.
Not at all. But mom,
What you gonna say to me?
Mom, today I meet a beautiful girl. She works for SV. So could you ask her to marry me?
How can I find enough money so that I can't ask her to marry you? We are very poor. If you really want to marry her, you should go and propose to her by yourself.
Oh, alright. I will go and ask her by myself. Are you home?
Oh, yes. Okay, see you please.
Thank you. I'm sorry, I forgot to ask your name yesterday. Please, your name, please.
My name is Nga, and how about you?
Oh, they just call me poor man. So where is your family?
I don't have a family.
So who do you live with?
Past I live with my aunt and my uncle when I was a child, but now I'm alone.
So will you stay with me and come to be my wife? Help each other.
Please let me think first. I will answer you tomorrow.
Okay, I will be waiting for your answer, and I hope that you will be answer the truth. Okay, so I will come to see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, did you just stay home?
Yes. Okay. Sit down, please.
Yes, thank you. How about my question? Yesterday I asked you.
Not so terrorist, but I think now just I'm around. And could you wanna love me more?
However, in my life, I promise I will be a good husband and take care of you and love you forever in the world.
You sure?
Yes. So could you go with me to see my mom and see my home?
Right now?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, very good.
But wait, how can I know that she loves me?
Why you said that you don't believe me and you want to stay alone?
I'm afraid someday you will love me more.
No better. I have promised you that, but
How?
we were poor. So could you help me to earn for living?
Not me only. We are two should help you together. Alright, if you love me.
Mom, I big home.
Son, who gets your hair?
Man, she's the girl I have told you yesterday.
Oh, you are the girl that my son had told me.
Yes,
You would be my daughter-in-law.
I will be your daughter-in-law and will be to help you.
Oh, son, let's take your wife come home. Come in.
Oh, sorry. Come in, please. Are you okay, Mom?
No matter, I'm okay.
Honey, where are you? Come here, please.
I'll come.
Okay, you come here to take care of Mom, and I will go to check family thing to take care of Mom.
Please, let's go and let's come quickly.
Yes?
Son is late, please don't go.
No, I will go.
Wait, please don't go if you want to see me.
Mom, please cool your illness because we can stay without you.
How can we stay without your mom? I have nothing to give you.
But I have 3 cockroaches. And you must come eat.
Okay, Mom, I will do it. Ooh, today is sunny.
My daughter, are you alright?
Not too good. They are retired.
Oh, my good daughter. Why my fortune is come like this, and I can't call you my daughter?
Daddy, don't worry, I will be fine, Dad.
Sleep well. I will go to take the daughter to see you. Hi, doctor. Are you home?
Yes, please come in.
Thanks.
Okay,
How are you?
please sit. Yeah, please sit. Okay, you come in. Can I help you?
Yes. My daughter really illness at home. Can you go to see my daughter?
How about your daughter fell?
She feel really tired and really weak.
Okay, sir. You don't worry anything. I can help you.
If you call my daughter fine, I will give you all the things if you need.
Okay, sir. No matter. I can help you. Just wait a moment. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
This your house?
Yes, this is my house.
Oh, so beautiful.
Daughter? Yes, my daughter.
Oh, this your daughter?
Yes.
Fine. How are you?
I'm tired and weak.
You are tired, very weak? How long have you else?
I asked 2 weeks.
Okay, let me check your health. Okay, you don't worry. I can help you. You will be fine soon now.
Yes.
How about my daughter?
Oh, right now we has a big problem because the roots was dirty. Right now, don't has medicine to give your daughter. I cannot to help her. I'm sorry, I can't help you. In the future,
Thank
if
you,
have
doctor.
something, yeah.
Okay,
I
see you
can
next
help
time.
Next time, yeah.
My daughter no way to clue your youngest. I will go to see the fortune answer. Hello, fortune teller.
Oh, my son.
How are you?
You come in. Please sit here. Hi, my son. You come in. Which one can I help you?
Yes. My daughter really young is. What should I do?
Oh, if you have some problem, I can help you. Hi, right now, how old is your daughter?
My daughter is 15 years old.
Right now.
How about my daughter? Please tell me.
Well, your daughter, illness cannot be cured unless eat the cucumber seed, which have been inherited from some mother.
Oh, thank you very much. Fortune teller.
Okay, you are welcome. Yeah.
Hey, my servant. What's up? I have a word to give you to for me. What kind of word? You should look everywhere for an encourage cucumber seeds and take it to me to cool my daughter.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to look for Oh, are you here?
Yes.
Yeah, I want to relax here for a moment.
Yes, sir. to him.
Who's there?
He is the rich man's friend.
Okay, check water, please, sir.
Yes, thank you. Did you do a film here?
Yes, he did.
Did you have a mother cucumber seed?
Why do you need one?
I need one to cure the rich man's daughter illness.
Yes, I have one, but he is special to me.
Oh, could you give me? I'll give you the special thing.
What will you give me in return?
The rich man will give you a half of palace.
I can take the pallet from rich man.
And what car do you need?
I only need the kukuru. That's enough for me.
Okay, let's do as our agreement and wait here.
Okay, see you.
Yes.
Oh, my servant, this you get it.
No, but I saw it in the poor man's field and he need your cockroach to change it.
Only my cooker left?
Yes.
Oh. My cooker left. Let's take it to exchange it now.
Yeah, I'll go to exchange it.
Okay, good luck for you.
Yes.
Feel great?
Yes. Okay, it's a cockroach.
Okay, I will give the kukuru to you. But remove it.
Yes.
Okay, sir. This is a cucumber that my mother have give me plant.
Yeah, and I'll take it to cure the rich man's daughter
Okay.
as soon as. Yes.
See you.
And see you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Sir, this is the inherent cucumber.
Oh, you can get it? Oh, I'm really happy. Oh, get it to my daughter and let she eat it.
Yeah, do this.
Let's eat this.
Okay, this.
Thank you. Oh, my daughter, can you get up?
Yes.
Let's do it. It will cure your illness.
Yes. Daddy is enough to me.
Okay. You want to sleep?
Yes.
How is his daughter?
Not fine.
Not fine. It is the real inherent cucumber servant.
Yeah, it's the real one.
Daddy, I'm fine better. Daddy, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Dead.
Wow, really lucky.
Your food smells really good. Please do some more.
Oh, honey, see here. It's the gold and silver.
Oh, yes, I have danced again.
Oh, I will take it to home.
Alright, today I will going to ask money from a couple who live here and watching our day.
Okay, I will try to ask them, but I'm not sure what they will give me.
Don't say, please. They want this money. Let's go.
Excuse me. Are you a couple that are waiting?
Yes, we are.
Thank you. Could I ask you some question?
Yes, you can. And what kind of question you ask me?
Do you have money?
You ask for money, but what do you want it for?
I need to pay for my food. And what had made you so waiting?
Why do you want to know?
Because I want to impose my family as your family. Please tell me.
Okay, I will tell you if you want to know.
How? How?
Oh, keep calm, I will tell you. This girl has made I so healthy and I'm rich like this.
Did this cocktail makes you be rich?
Yes.
So, could you lend your cocktail to me, please? Because I want to be a rich like you.
Oh, but I asked my wife because he is the only one take care of this girl. Honey, could I lend our girl to him?
After you.
Yes, if you say that I will lend to him.
Smell that the cocktail. Bullshit.
Oh, how can I take care of this cocktail? And where do I leave it?
You should make a special chef above of your bed, and before down, the girl have a pool that you want get the thing that you want.
Okay, I will do that. See you.
Okay, see you.
Hi, and I'm home.
You're home.
Yes, I'm home.
Get the money.
Oh, I didn't get any money, but just only cocktail.
I told you to ask the young man for money. Why had you bought back this cocktail instead?
The young man told me that this cocktail had made me a victim. And the man told me that I should make a special shape for the cocktail about out of the bag. We found out this cocktail count and have pool, and we will get the thing that we need. Because this, I won't take you the money and exchange the cocktail.
honey. Why smell terrible like this, honey?
Please plating do as to me does.
I can stay with meat smell.
Plating.
Honey, see it. Why cannot turn to be money?
Wait, let me see. Why? This is a terrible smell like this.
Now, we haven't got money to pay for food. You have been test the cocktail to make a terrible smell like this to us. This out bad love.
It is unfortunately. This is my right. They kill it to make land to us. Don't say it will be silver. Only eat it. That finish all our problem. Because it's not true, like the bank had told me.
Let's kill it now because I hate it.
Okay, I will do it, honey.
My husband, I have something to talk with you.
What?
Come home.
Yes.
What question do you ask me?
You have to go and see crocodile is right nowadays.
Okay, I will go. And see you. Bye bye, honey. Are you home?
Yes, we are home.
Yes.
Okay, let's go today.
How about you? Is everything alright?
Yes. Everything is alright.
So I just already at home. While you eating?
Oh, sorry. I forgot to call you in with us. Please come in with us.
We eat a chicken.
Chicken? Where did you get it to eat?
We are eating a cocktail which you gave me yesterday.
Why are you keep it, man?
Because it's bone, very terrible smell, not good, and silver, like when it stay with you.
Is exactly what my wife said would be happen. I will not eat with you, but I want you to give me some of the crocodile bones.
Of course, I will give them to you. It's only bone, the cocktail bone.
Right at home,
Where's our crocodiles?
a crocodile was killed by the man that borrowed yesterday. Then this is the bone.
Oh dear.
Don't be sad, my wife. Tomorrow I will make a rack using the concrete to make it head the your treat, to make it handle, and the cockroach bones to make it treat.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Son, I'm making the leg.
Dad, this is the crocodile bones.
Yes, son.
Honey, have you done it?
Wait a few, I will be done. Honey, today I will go to cut firewood. So you stay home to take care outside and you burn the rubbish for our garden.
Dad, can I go with you?
No, son, you stay home to help your mother do work.
Bye, Dad.
Bye. See you.
See you.
Bye. Honey, where the rubbish? Why can't you burn it?
It became good and I had collect it.
Sure?
Let's go see them. I'm afraid.
Could I ask you some question?
Yes, you can. And what kind of question you ask me?
Do you need money?
Daddy.
You me my daughter-in-law.
Why? Cheese milk. Rice.
Why the smell terrible like this? Chỉ luộc trưởng thành à?
John, thôi một cái gì mà? Nhớ bé tôi cái gì có top luôn
Suy nghĩ thế cả đó.
Why it is smell so terrible?
Why cheese milk?
Right
Anh
this.
nhận cái này chỉ là một cái sang con cho là.
Sure, okay.
Let's kill it now because I hate it.
Chào hao cha. Sợ tôi. Should you look even bad for and it is the real in her life. How about my daughter? Oh, your daughter. Chết rồi.
Gì cái mà? Chứ hai cái gì?
Daddy.
Ô, hai nghĩ rằng đâu nó. Sao vậy? Sao ít ra là
Not certainly, but I think now just I'm around.
Sao hai cân cho? Chỉ qua, hai cái hộp bát tua. Đến đây mà hai cân.
Họ bảo ta hãy lái à?
Hai cân mà. Trong đó à?
Đó. Tao là.
Ừ, cái thay ta liền.
Yeah, how about my question yesterday I asked you?
Nè, cơ của chính thức ăn.
Nè, các bạn này nhiều. Chị có hãy cho hỏi cả là.
Vậy còn gì nè? Vậy,
Thay thì tiểu ho. Lọt đó.
Chỉ bỏ xa đó không nè. Dạ làm thế à?
Hàn nó.
Đó có cái nhó học quá không bỏ cái tóc hả?
Sao, sao tận thế sao?
Rất bỏ, đúng không? Nó có bỏ.
Con mà bỏ thì xa hiểu bỏ à cái gì đó.
Bỏ cơ.
Bỏ cơ. Đó chỉ mà sang kỳ hàng này.
nè chú sáng một trăm thầy phụ hậu vậy nè.
Chỉ xa.
Khang là cháu điệu nè. Come to see you tomorrow.
Sure. After you, if you can.
Yeah, see you.
See you.
Bye. Honey, could our land our cockroach to him?
After you too.
Đó, anh chưa tay lên gì? Ôi cháu.
After you.
Cho.
Được chưa? Được chưa? Đâu này ha?
Lên mà thay
Sao này
cha.
ha?